Yesterday, what we discussed, Arma? Quick review. And wait. Just 2 to 3 minutes recap. Again, I'll go with my guess. So, what we discussed, sir? Tell me 2 to 3 comments. Which topic we discussed, Arma? What was the topic name? The topic name is deployment, right? Deployment. See, why do we go for deployment object? What is the main power of deployment object? Two words I said, right? What, Ramya? What I said? What, Kishore? What is the main purpose of deployment object? Updates, updates and rollbacks. Updates and rollbacks. See, managing, deployment, managing replica set. Replica set managing pods. Pods managing what? Anyone? Containers. Containers. Am I audible? Yes, good. See, whenever if we create a deployment, automatically replica set will be created. Replica set is handling pods. Pod is handling containers. Pod is handling containers. You know it. Now, in the same way, I'm trying to opening document. Yesterday we discussed a little bit about. There one more thing I need to explain. This is the entire question. What are the deployment strategies? This is the straight question. What are the what are the deployment strategies? Anyone can guess it? At least if you know it. One is rolling up, rolling update. What is the second strategy? At least can you guess it? Kishore, recreate. First one is rolling update. Second one is recreate. I'm asking a small question. Which is the default one? Can you guess it? Which is the default strategy? In between these two, one is the right answer, but what it is? Recreate is the recreate is the default one. Your answer should be no. Which is the right answer, ma? Rolling, rolling update. You may have a doubt. Why rolling update is the default option? Why it may not recreate? Shall we go for the discussion first? Now see here, why it is taking a rolling update in a cell. See, I am taking for your clarity, assume three parts are there. Assume three parts or maybe four parts. That is our wish. Three parts or four parts. These three parts belong to version 1 assume. Belongs to version 1. Version 1. From version 1 to version 2, I want to move. Assume. From version 1 to version more. According to your case, recreate assume. What recreate will do? It will destroy everything according to your scenario. This is not the right scenario. According, it will destroy everything and it will try to recreate once. Here, what is the problem? Have you recognized anyone? What is the problem? Downtime may arise or not? At least tell me the answer. Yes or no? my mother. Downtime. Downtime in the sense you are the end user. Can you able to access once these are destroyed or deleted, crashed? Are you able to access version one?
No, sir.
No. Version two will access. When will you access ma? After 2 minutes, after 3 minutes. In real time, it may take nearly 10 to 15 minutes ma for activation. Up to 10 to 15 minutes, are you able to wait for a specific resource? Maybe something embarrassing, right? We may keep on such refreshing. Slowly it will come. Will you work with that side? Very complex, right? That's why industry never go with the recreate. But one facility is there. Why such facility? Suppose I given so and so time to so and so time may not say site is not available. That is the maintenance activity. Say from midnight 2 to 3, 2 a.m. to maybe assume 3 a.m. I may given such message assume. In 2 a.m. to 3 a.m., no one can access. Or if they want to access also, we given message, right? Maintenance activity. At that time, you may do recreate, no problem. It may take nearly 10 to 15 minutes or half an hour or 1 hour. But end user may feel site is 24 by 7 available. Site is 24 by 7. I think someone is trying to join. Yes. End users feel is what ma? He needs to feel, oh, my site is available 24 by 7. I am accessing. See, there as a DevOps engineer, you are doing one maintenance activity, but without telling to customer feeling is what? Oh, my site is not down. I'm able to access. What to do here? Observe carefully. Observe carefully. This is version 1 object, version 2 object, version 3. I'm taking diagram some other way. You may get the clarity. You may get the clarity. See here, this is version 1, first part. This is version 1, second part. This is version 1, third part. All are version 1, version 1, version 1. For our easy clarity, I am giving naming convention also. Version 1. Now three parts are running. End users are very happy. There is no downtime. There is no overload. Everything is fine. My site is running. I am very happy. Okay. Till now, good. See, I'm trying to move to version 2, ma. What happens in the sense, first it will create one new resource. The resource name is version 2. Now, version 2 also same type of project, same type of things are there, but little bit modifications are there. Customer may not identify maybe instant time. Slowly he can identify. It creates version 2 new resource. It can destroy version 1 first part. Total how many desired parts are there? Now count it. What is the desired here? 3. Now, once again, what it will do? It may recreate one more part. It may recreate one more part. What is the name? V2. V2. Now what it will delete quickly respond? Our desired is 3 only. Here desired how many are there? V1, V1, 2. V2, V2, 2. No, this is not the right answer. Which is the right answer? Which will delete? Which will destroy? V1. After that, it create one more V2, V2. Yes, once V2 is activated, which is deleted? V1 is deleted. V1 is deleted. Is it good policy or not? Anyone can respond. Is it good or not?
Yeah, good policy.
Why it is good policy? There is no downtime, right? See, I am having bike. Someone asked me my bike. Suppose what I say after buying a car, then only I can give my bike to you. Why I am telling like that? ఉన్- ఉన్నది ఒకే బైక్ అండి. దాన్ని ఎవరో అడిగారు, ఇస్తానని దానం చేస్తానని చెప్పాను. చెప్పడం బాగానే ఉంది. దానం చేసేస్తే నేను ఎలా వెళ్ళాలి? లాజిక్ అర్థమవుతుంది అనుకుంటా. నేనేం చేయాలి అప్పుడు? ఆల్టర్నేటివ్ ఇంకో బైక్ నేను కొనుక్కున్నాక ఇవ్వాలి. లేకపోతే ఏం చేయకూడదు నేను? ఆ మాట చెప్పకూడదు. I hope you got the clarity. In the same way, our Kubernetes community, they developed this strategy. This strategy is known as which strategy? Recreate or rolling update. At least tell me after completion of this topic. Recreate or rolling update? Rolling update. Rolling update. In rolling update, two terms are available. Try to understand technical words. One is the max search, SURG. Second one is the max unavailable. Unavailable. What is the meaning of max search? Maximum how many parts you want to recreate. Maximum how many parts are you creating? Maximum how many parts are you deleting? This is also interview question. Question how they implement is, suppose question I am giving like this. Our deployment object having hyphen replicas, guess 10 replicas. Now they are asking a question, how many max search, how much or how many max search, how many max available. This is the standard concept. They may give like this. Here, according to Kubernetes 25%. 25%. What does it mean? 25% in the sense, see, within 10, what is the 25% value? 10, 10 by 25 or 10 by 2.5, 10 by 2.5. Divide into four parts. 10 is divided into four parts. What you may get it? 2.5, right?
2.5.
2.5. That means max surge is 2.5 ma, 2.5 pod ma. But in reality, 2.5 pods are not possible. Got it or not? There is no half pod. There is no 1 by 4th. This is not a cake, right? If you want to remove it, you can remove it. You can't. If you want to add it, you can add it new one. Got it or not? Here, finally, what is the right answer? 2 only. Max surge to max available. It can eliminate fraction. Whatever the integer value is there, it will take it. Now answer is simple, right? Simple or not? Even if I am having 30 parts, based on this, tell me. If I am having 30 parts, what is the max search? What is the max search? And what is the max unavailable? Tell me. Max search, SURG. Max unavailable. Max unavailable. Your duty is you need to divide it into four parts. Four parts. How many? Divided by 4. Tell me the answer. Am I audible, right? Hello?
4.5.
4. No,
Uh,
no.
Sorry,
Divide with,
7.5.
yeah,
7.5.
7.5. 7.5 means what I said, fraction is there or not?
It is there. Yes.
Only 7 unit to tell. Only 7 unit. Why you are following this type of strategy? Observe once again. Among 30 parts, only 7 got deleted, 7 got recreated. Again, 7 is delete, 7 is recreate. 7 is delete, 7 is recreate. First, what it will do? It won't delete first. First, it will create 7, then delete 7. Create 7, delete 7. So, you have got it or not? Already, I am
Yes.
having bike. I may buy the car. If car is everything is fine, I'm able to drive, I'm able to manage. After getting that conclusion only, I may give to my bike. I may give my bike to some other. That is good policy, right?
Yes.
Yes. There is no downtime. There is no downtime. Now you got the clarity. Two types of deployment. Deployment strategies are there. The first strategy is what? First strategy is what? Rolling, update. Second strategy is what? Second strategy is what? Recreate. In recreate, what happens? All the 30 pods first will destroy. It will create all the 30 once again. For a deletion, it may take at least 1 or 2 minutes. For recreating, it may take minimum 10 minutes. Nearly 10 to 12 minutes we are providing downtime. That is not the right policy. What Kubernetes will say to avoid downtime? Simply we can say, what is one of the main deployment activity? Zero downtime. Zero downtime. Why pipelines are there? Why automation happens? This is the main activity. What is the main purpose of automation? This is also interview question. Automation. Anyone can try to give me 1 or 2 points. What is the main points of automation? Time to reach the market. Are you agree with me? Time to reach the market. To avoid to avoid downtime. To avoid downtime. Easy to manage. Why easy to manage? Pipeline code means it may not install in the server. We may have our own copy. Whenever server goes down, whenever operating system crashes, our pipeline code is there. Again, recopy it. See, Srinath garu, you created 10 EC2 instances. Assume I am giving clarity. Your account is closed. Will you able to access those 10 pipelines? Then EC2
No.
instances, can you able to view at least? No.
No.
See, assume you written Terraform code for 10 EC2 instances. Assume. You may create one account once again. Just you may run your Terraform code. Within seconds, what happens? 10 EC2 instances will create, right? If you
Yeah.
have to do manually, again you go there. My question is not in the one region, Srinath Garu. 10 regions, 10, 10, 10 EC2 instances. I am giving time for only 3 minutes.
Yes.
Manually, even though 10 persons are there, 10 regions are there, assume 10 persons, 10 regions. You may give access to 10 members. They may also able to try it within 3 minutes, not possible to complete 10 instances. But here through Terraform, what can we do? All the 10 regions within 1 minute, you can create your required instances. That much of possible. That is the pipeline code. That is the automation. That is the use of script. Time to reach the market. Time to reach the market. Easy to manage, right? Easy to manage, easy to maintain. I hope you got the clarity. Now we are moving to the implementation. Up to now, anybody facing any difficulty? Quickly respond. Clearly, I given the concept of what is deployment, what are the deployment strategies, what is the default deployment strategies, Ramya now? What is the default deployment strategy? Rolling, rolling,
Right.
update. Good. Now we are going for implementation. I said right yesterday. Today we'll go with the documentation. Whose documentation? That Kubernetes community documentation. We'll see what they provided in deployment. Now just I'm moving to deployment. Deployment Kubernetes. Now there see very beginning somewhere deployments is there. Click on that. Today I'm going with only this document. Even if you want to read, see, a deployment provides declarative updates for pods and replica sets. But declarative means by the script only, by the script use case, use case, create a deployment to roll out a replica set and declare the new state of the pods. We can do many activities. Those names they are giving. Rollback, scale, pass, I said already I used these words. We'll go and implement one by one. I'm taking, I'm taking this code as it is today. We'll try to modify this. We'll try to modify. Where is the copy button? That they given the YAML file. They given the YAML file. We don't go with. We will create our own YAML. Now I'm copying. Now I'm copying. What the written will see. Just now, up to this I'm taking Control C. What to do? Windows key. There CMD. There I'm taking here itself notepad. There dep.ym. Dep.ym. Notepad dep.ym. Yes. Something is there. Control A, Control V. I'm typing. In this, I think everybody know it, right? API version. This is the next generation, right? App/v1. Kind deployment. Metadata, nginx deployment. Labels, app colon nginx. Spec. Yeah, the main thing you need to remember. Replicas word, can I use it in pod? Anyone can tell me? Replicas attribute, can I able to write in pod section? Have you seen in previous classes? Anyone? Yes or no?
No. No.
Answer should be no. Why? Who is controlling ma? Who is controlling? I said maybe replication controller, maybe replica set, maybe deployment object. I'm asking fourth one. By using daemon set, can I use replicas element in daemon set? Srinath Garu, you know little bit. Tell me. In daemon set, can I maybe use replicas that element? Answer should be no. Demand set cannot take which one? That replicas word. What is the power of demand set? How many nodes are you able to having? See, one cluster is there, one master is there, three workers are there. How many pods may create by using demand set? Now tell me. One master, three workers. How many pods may create by using demand set? Anyone can quickly tell me the answer? I'm giving clue. Each node can having only one pod exactly. Now based on that, tell me the answer. One master, three workers. One master, three workers. How many pods it may create? Four or three? One is the right answer.
Yes, sir.
Master cannot create anything. Master is the supervisor. Master is the supervisor. I'll tell you the story. I am giving little bit clue for you today. Maybe in future will. In master node, taint concept is there. In master node, which concept? Taint. Even in Terraform, we discussed it. Are you agree with me? In Terraform also taint is there. Srinath Gar, which purpose we use the taint concept in Terraform? Anyone tell me quickly? These are the related concepts. In
For
Terraform,
marking for recreation.
recreation. But same word taint is there. Same word taint is there. Here what it is, what it will do, it won't allow to create a pod here. See, word is same, but meaning is different. What it won't allow? Terraform, what Kubernetes taint won't allow to recreate a pod. See, husband is there. Husband told to wife, I want to go for second marriage. First, wife will accept or not accept? Tell me anyone. She never accept. That's why he will go and marry some other person. If she accepts, he may not marry, I think. In the same way, here also, our master node never create a partner. Only where it will create on the worker nodes only. Now try to remember one clue. Only how many workers are there, you need to count it. You need to tell the number of pods. Okay, anyway, here replicas, selector, match labels, and app colon nginx. Template. From here to here, what it is? Anyone can quickly tell me? From here to here, what it is? I said maybe in previous classes. Wherever the word template is there, wherever the word template is there, that belongs to pod section. That belongs to pod section. Got it or not? Pod related stuff. Pod related. Now tell me, what is the pod label NGNX? What is the pod name NGNX? What is the container name NGNX? What is the image? See, simply we can say container is created with the help of which image? This NGNX image. Engine. What is the port number? You know. Suppose you want to specify the strategy, ma. Strategy. Strategy. Here is you need to strategy. 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 Here type. Type. Here is you want to write it. You want to write recreate. Recreate. This is the recreate option. But now I am not taking. Maybe after one or two pages, you may get it same thing. Am I written or not? If you want to specify, you can specify strategy. Strategy is also one element. Strategy is also one attribute. Now here the words are synonymous. If you know HTML, you may call it HTML attribute, HTML element, like that. Here also same. This is the manifest file, right? That's why I'm using. I may not use the word argument. Argument belongs to Terraform. Here manifest, I may use attribute. I may use attribute. Now I'm trying to apply you may get the clarity. I'm trying to apply. How to apply this? Quickly guide me anyone. What to do? What is our file name? What is our file name? DEP. Quickly respond. kubectl, kubectl, apply, apply, hyphen f, dep.yml. Now kubectl, kubectl, get kubectl. First what I need to identify, get deploy. Next, what I need to identify? See, till now not at ready. Till now not at ready. After a minute, see, now all are ready, right? Check it. 3 by 3, up to date 3, available 3, 27 seconds ago, it got created. Actually created. For activation, it is taking time. Now, second one is what you need to see. Get RS. RS means replica set or replication controller. Which one?
Replica set. Replicas.
Replicas. Good. Now see how many replicas. How many replicas it maintain number of parts. Here number of parts. Now you want to see number of parts, right? Simply go for PO. Check it. Three parts are there. You may ask, what about this part one? See the time. 1 day. 1 day. 9 hours. 1 day. 9 hours. Nearly it is taking 16 hours. More than 12 hours, right? 16 hours only. 12 plus 9, how much? Maybe
21.
it is giving different time. Okay, no problem. It is. Maybe nearly we can consider 1 day. See, age is 60. This is the restarts now. How many restarts? See how many restarts? How many restarts happen? This is the, I'll tell you how that restarts also. If you want to see that restarts, if you want to see that this the restarts, I created one part, right? That part may restart. If you want to see that restart, quickly I may show you because of there I use the word, right? I will tell you that. My 9 hours ago restart happens. Why restart happens? You may wake up sometimes, man. Someone ask why you wake up. Maybe we may ask to children, hey children, why you wake up? They will tell, I don't know why. After that, after 5 minutes, again they may go and sleep. We won't sleep. Why? Children will sleep very easily, but parents cannot sleep very easily. Now I'll show you one small example. There I'm having, see, notepad, I may have the one manifest file cron, cron.ym. Now check the simple concept. Because of restart came, that's why I'm using this term. Now, I think somewhere have you seen this type of look and feel? Anyone tell me? If you know little bit Jenkins, if you know little bit shell script, if you know little bit Linux commands, in Linux in shell cron tab, not a job. In Linux terminology, crontab tab. But in Jenkins terminology, scheduled jobs. That's why they given schedule. And every minute, it may it may create. And every minute it may. Now, what is the meaning of this in the sense? And every minute it may create one job. One job in the sense, one part. If I leave this one 24 hours, maybe 1 hour, 60 parts it will create. That is the duty of this. That is the duty of this. Like this. What it may print finally, what it may print. Here is the printing, which it may print. Just observe and tell me. What is the command? Date command. Date command. Date command. Restart policy on failure. Once you fail it, you recreate it. If there is no fail, don't go. See, once you eat, you won't eat maybe within 3 hours. Again, you may eat. In the same way, unfortunately, it got failed, you may recreate. I'll show you quickly. I'll show you quickly. Just there, I may go and delete. Here, what is the name? Okay, already it may be having. We'll check it. kubectl get kubectl kubectl get cron job. Is there any cron job? No, right? Now what I am trying to do? kubectl apply hyphen f cron dot yaml. See, kubectl get cron jobs. Observe, they're active, up arrow. It will take, see, 9 seconds, now 12 seconds. After 60 only, we may go for one more. Is will increase step by step. Automatically it won't increase. Just 160 is finished. We may go and see the part. We may go and see the part. Now it is again see again second change it, right? Now check it active is 1. Active is 1. That means what? One part got created. kubectl get the pod. Now somewhere one new job got created. Check it just now. 17 seconds. Yes, Seema, KP Labs. Second job got created. Why? I said right on every minute one pod. On every minute one pod. Is it got the clarity? Pod. If something got failed, then only it will create restart. If something got failed, you want to see the output mark. You want to see the output. kubectl logs. This is very important. kubectl logs. You want to see the output. See here, ready 0 by 1. Anyone can guess it? Why 1 by 1 is not there? Why 0 by 1? Srinath Garu, tell me. Why it is not showing running? Running means restart policy always. Restart policy always. What is the restart policy in our code? On failure. That means once work is completed, once date display, it will complete. Cron jobs means the task is finished. You don't re-enter. You don't re-enter. Now I need to show you the output. Control C, Control V. Now check the output. kubectl logs. See, date got printed or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Like that, keep on running, keep on running. You don't want to run it, you want to delete. Kubectl, delete. See, kubectl, delete. What you want to delete? Prawn, prawn job, prawn job, that job name. Prawn job, even hyphen all. This is the simple policy. See, no need to. Suppose 10 parts are there, only parts you want to delete. Only parts. Based on this, tell me anyone. I want to delete only parts. What I need to do? Generally, kubectl delete all hyphen all. What does it mean? Maybe pod, maybe replica set, maybe deployment, maybe some other. Here, what to do? Only what is your duty? Kubectl delete parts hyphen all. Only it is deleting parts. Once again, if I go for get parts, parts may be available, parts may not be available. Anyone tell me? I deleted all the parts, right? Can I get parts or not? At least tell me. What, mother? Can I get parts or not? You have got to tell me. Can I able to
We can
get
get.
parts or we can get? Why we are getting once again parts? Why we are getting once again part? Which object we are running? Deployment. What is the duty of deployment object? Deployment object will go and hit the replica set. Hey, replica set, what are you doing? Someone got deleted. You will go and recreate it. That's why, what is the duty of replica set? Health check of a pod and controlling and maintain desired state. What is our desired state? Keep on maintaining three pods. Keep on maintaining three pods. Got it or not? Good. Now we are moving to maybe second page. Here, so many pages are there. I'm giving clarity how to work with the documentation. That is my intention today. Everybody know how to read documentation. My intention how to work with. Now see, in this example, they may tell so many stories, what is selector, what is something. This one already you know what is label. Already we discussed or not. See, kubectl apply. They applied their way. We applied our way. Are you got it or not? They gave a lengthy path, right? You can directly copy and paste this will also will work. But what we did, we copied and pasted. We are holding our own file. That own file only we executed. We for see kubectl get deployments. I said right, either deployments or deploy, both are valid. Now see, if you apply the first we have seen like this also 0 by 3, after 10 seconds 3 by 3. Everybody understood, right? Now we are going to see, waiting for rollout to finish. They applied rollout command and now see kubectl rollout status. Same command will try to apply kubectl rollout status. We'll try for this, but not in this way, our way. Control C. First, before going to this, what to do? I am telling to you. kubectl get deployment. Get the deployment. Check it here. And now what I want to do? kubectl, there I'm pasting, copy pasting, control V. And now guide me here. What is the modification? I think look and feel is same, right? Nginx deployment here also. What it is there, ma? Nginx deployment. Nginx deployment. Can I use this one or can I do little bit modification? Anyone can quickly respond. It will work, it may not work. At least tell me. It may work or it may not work. Anyone? It may work or it may not work. Am I audible, right?
Yes.
Yes. It may work or it may not work. If I press enter, it may give output or maybe it may provide an error. Why it is giving an error? Try to remove dot first. Now, see deployment Nginx deployment successfully rolled out. See, same thing you need to give like this also. I think in previous class I given. This is also valid, Srinath Garu. Got it or not?
Yeah.
What does it mean? Rolled out means moving from one version to another version. If you are having only one version, it is moving to that version. See, you started your home, you moved to bus stand. Someone asked you, where are you? I'm in bus stand. In which bus stand? In Tirupati bus stand only. Maybe possible, right? That is also moving, right? In the same way we did. Now we are moving to next one. See that if you want to see it, kubectl get deployment, you know that one, right? Kubectl get deployment. Now kubectl get RS. We have seen or not? Replica sets. Deploy if see if I remove deployment, replica set may available or not? Anyone can quickly. If I remove deployment, replica set will be there or will not be there? Who is handling replica set? At least tell me the answer. Who is handling replica set? Deployment only. See, under the control of deployment only replica set is there. If deployment got deleted, who is handling replica set? That's why replica set also will destroy. Got the clarity? Yes or no?
Yes.
Good. Now, kubectl get parts, hyphen show labels. You know this, right? Already we know. kubectl get parts, hyphen show labels. kubectl get parts, hyphen show labels. All the labels. There I need to reduce, then only you can see, right? We need to reduce. How can I reduce the size? Right click, go to properties. There I may reduce to 20. Okay it. There again I am maximizing. We can able to see. App is equal to nginx for template hash. This is also one label. You don't think this is the different name. They given the name. They given some numbers. System is taking internally. Is it clear for you? Good. I am moving to for the template hash label. We have seen right just now what they are giving caution. Do not change these labels. Why? That is the system generated internally that will take care of. Even they given this label encounters ensures the child replica set of the deployment do not overlap. What does it mean? If you want to handle deployment, want to handle replica set, that label is required. That label is required. Update a deployment. Updating means what does it mean? Updating image version may change. Image version may change. I think yesterday I'm a user right kubectl set image. Are you agree with me? Did I use this this statement yesterday? Yes or no? Those who attended yesterday class, please respond. By using set image concept only, I can apply, or
Yes.
maybe I may go with kubectl edit deployment name. There also I can modify the image name. There also I can modify. Maybe according to this, we may go with image version they changed. Now check it. What is our actual image version? Can you tell me? How to see my image version? I don't know. I am giving 2 minutes time for you. I want to see my image. Which image I added? Multiple ways we can get it. Any one way I am asking to you. There are 2 to 3 ways are there for viewing my image. Please. No, don't go for Docker. Here we are in Kubernetes. Through kubectl only, I want to see your image version, your image version. That is your wish. Whatever the way you try, you guide me. You may go with the describe pod also you can see. You may go with the rollout history also you can see. Tell me the command. I given two clues.
kubectl
Yeah, tell me.
rollout history.
kubectl kube kubectl rollout history. What next?
Deployment.
Deployment. My
Deployment.
deployment head. Njnx hyphen deployment. That's all right. What it is say? Spelling mistake? KUBE. CTL in place
ctl.
of CLT. Yeah, yeah. Okay. We got the version right. We got the revision. From this revision, kubectl rollout history deployment object space. What I want to see? What I want to see? There hyphen. They are just two revision, right? They are
Yes.
two revision. Two hyphen. First I am giving REVASION is equal to 1. See what is the image name here? What is the image name here? Observing 1
mgnx.
point NJNX 1.14.2. But
Yes.
according to document, what they are trying to tell us, hey, you are using 1.14 point something. I am updating 1.16.1. Is it version? Version is changing or not? Yes or
Yes.
no? Yes.
Changing.
Now we are trying to change one more version. Simply I am copying this. Simply I am copying this. Control C. There I am going to Control B. I am able to enter it. Yes, it got updated. It got updated. How can you know it got updated? Again you go for kubectl, kubectl rollout history, deployment name. How many revisions I may having? How many revisions I
Two,
may having? Two.
two revisions.
But which is the good policy? If I use hyphen record, that is good, right? Here easily we can identify. Are you agree with me?
Yes.
See, I may go for maybe if this type of version is there or not, I don't know. I'm trying to give hyphen record. Now, flag record. Okay, no problem. There, kubectl rollout history deployment. Now check it here. This is good, right? Very easy to recognize. Very easy to recognize. I got recorded. What version? I added. Is it clear for you? This one they are telling. I hope you got it. kubectl set image deployment. That is good. Now here, small question. This is the entire question. After the deployment, what does it mean? Anyone can quickly respond. Why they given this NGNX? What is the meaning of this NGNX? I am giving clue for you. That may be deployment name, that may be replica set name, that may be pod name, that may be container name. Among these four options, one is the right answer. Quickly. Again, I am giving one more clue. With the help of image, what we can create? Anyone can quickly respond. With the help of image,
Deployment name.
no. Think deeply. Deeply in the sense, within the deployment, what it will be there? Replica set. Within the replica set, what it will be there? Pod. Within the pod, what it will be there? Now give me the answer.
Container.
Content. This is the container name. Srinath Gar got it or not? See, people feeling is with the help of image pod will be created. 100 people, if I take 90 people, they will tell that answer. That is also right in general scenario. But with the help of image, what we can create? Only container. After creating container, we are giving one abstraction layer. That name is nothing but pod. Again, I am telling, without container, what is the use of pod? Tell me. Is it clear for you? Without running container, pod is valid or pod is invalid? Pod is invalid. There is no use of pod. That's why the power of we are giving to the priority goes to container only. The priority goes to container only. But according to our deployment at any cost, 100% will maintain replica set. Replica set same way it is maintaining. See, my grandfather, maybe after that my father, after that me, after that my children, same way I am looking my children carefully, my father also looking me there, my grandfather also looking my father. Even you know that strategy, right? Every father and mother maybe look their children properly, they may guide their way, but they are good or bad, leave it. In the same way, here also same procedure we are following. Is it clear for you? Now I am moving to, see, image got updated. You know that? You know that? See, my intention is even I am not leaving single option. All the statements that what I am trying to tell is everything is understandable. Why they given status? Anyone can quickly tell me. See, rollout history is okay. What is the meaning of rollout status? Quickly tell me. Why do you go for the general word status? Generally, I may ask you, Snehat Garu, what is the status of your job? Maybe you may tell something, right?
Yeah.
Status means moving from one version to another version properly or not. If it is properly, we may get the word successfully. We may get the words. I may apply here. You may get the clarity. Now I am in revision. I am in revision 3, right? It is moved in revision 3 or not. That message only will get it. Control V. What was the message? Warning to deployment, NGNX deployment, rollout to finish. 1 out of 3 new replicas have been updated. Oh, it is taking time. It is maybe updation is taking time. I may control C. I may go for kubectl get deployment first. Deployment. We'll see it. There three. See update 3 by 3. Up to date 1. Up to date how many we require? Or else we'll see. Okay, how many replicas is there? kubectl get rs. Get rs. 3 by 3 is there. Now something is not clear, right? Check it here, Srinath garu. Well, 5 minutes back, 3 by 3. Now everything is fine. We'll check it once again. Are you getting rollout status? Even it is waiting for deployment, Nginx deployment, rollout to finish. 1 out of 3 new replicas. 1 out of 3 new replicas have been updated. Okay, giving the message. It is telling has been updated. But finally you may get the message is successfully, but is not giving. Similar meaning only, right? It is trying to take. See here also giving same message or not. See, waiting for rollout to finish. Here 2 out of 3. There in our way also there. Finally you may get successfully rolled out after some time. Here what they given, either this one is also right message or this one is also right message. At least you got the clarity, right? After viewing the document. Yes. Now what they are telling, kubectl get deployment, why they given red message? Get more details on your updated deployment. kubectl get this output is similar to this. Okay. What they are telling is 3 by 3, right? You can see 3 by 3. kubectl get deployment. They are giving up to date. Up to date is only, that's why up to date you need to get 3, but not getting 3. It is internally running. kubectl get rs. Here see the very very important. kubectl get rs once again I'm using. Here how many revisions are available, based on this we can understand. Srinath garu, this is the revision 1, this is the revision 2, this is the revision 3. Once
Yes.
revision 3 activated, automatically revision 2 will be 000. Till now not at
Yes.
0. Till now not at 0. That means revision 2 is also able to access by maybe end user. Why end user in the sense? It is now active, right? Yes or no? See, generally,
Yes.
my father is active. Maybe I am also active. I am doing 3 activities. My father is doing at least 1 activity. Maybe after some days, he may stop. He may stop his work. I may continue with my 3 parts only. Now you got it. Here, see, look and feel is very good. Everything is 000. This is activated. People are accessing this revision only. This revision only. You know how to move to previous version also. We'll see. Rollout and rollout and. Somewhere I said one message, right? Please observe here. Anyone can read this paragraph quickly. Anyone can read this para. Quickly read it.
Deployment also ensures that only certain number of pods are created above the desired number of pods.
By default, it ensures that the most 125%. Why
Most
125%?
125% of the
Desired number of parts are up. 25% max search. You got the clarity somewhere? I explained, Srinath Garu. Max search is
yes.
25%. Max unavailable is 25%. Very first time if you see, I'm having 10 parts. System will generate, if you apply rolling update, automatic system will create 12 parts. Why 12 parts? From revision 1 to revision 2, I want to move. I want to remove 2 more, right? I want to remove 2. If I want to remove 2, I need to create 2 for version 2. From version 1, I am deleting 2 parts. First we are creating, then we are deleting. I said first we delete, then we create, means something goes wrong. First we are adding, then we are going for deleting. Good policy. kubectl describe deployment. kubectl describe deployment. Shall we go for a describe? You know it. Describing means it is showing the history. kubectl describe. That means deployment history. You want to see it. See. Clear history it is giving. See, out of 3, 1 got deleted. Again, finally, 3 is active. Scale up, replica set, nginx deployment like that. One is removing, one is adding, one is removing, or one is adding, one is removing. Like that, you may get the story. See, there even they given here. See the here anyone can read this sentence. At least read this. Rolling update strategy. We taking
Update
care of
strategy.
25% max unavailable, 25% max search. This is the entire question.
That's
If you see multiple times, we can quickly answer it. If you are quickly answering means their feeling is you are in the real time or you are doing activities regularly. Got it or not? Right. Okay, thank you. Some more things are there. I'm not touching. Or if you ask me, then only even tomorrow also I may go with continuation. Or else you may feel okay, we will do it. See, roll over, multiple updating, multiple updates, label selector updates, whatever you want, you can do it. Everything there given. Clear documentation is there. Our duty is what? Applying properly, understanding properly, If anywhere you are facing difficulty, post it on our WhatsApp group. I may give clarity to you. I may give clarity to you. Everything clearly is there. They may explain, but even if you are not able to understand, I may try to give the clarity. Do it. Tomorrow we may go for. Tomorrow I am giving. Tomorrow I may enter into stateful set. Tomorrow I may enter into stateful set. Okay. Shall I wind this? Yeah, so many
Yes.
things are there. Even yesterday I given many things. Today I may given clarity. Maybe some more options are there. Maybe slowly we may learn it. I may not leave even single option also. But I am not finishing document today. Maybe in future classes we may see this document also. Tomorrow I may go with which one? That is stateful sets or stateful object. Stateful set, stateful object. What is the power and purpose? We may see tomorrow. Thank you.